Okay, so we're gonna do this first part of this unboxing right quick. Just want to kind of show how this stuff came and everything. A couple of these are flat. They burst your bubble. So what this is here, as you can see, is the Microsoft Surface Pro. Now this is the 7. This is the Microsoft Surface Pro 7. It's the i3 processor or whatever, and it is the entry level, the lower end. Now granted, the whoa, I need some lotion. Anyway, the i8 recently came out, but I ain't had a bread for that, to be honest. So we're gonna see how this does here and everything. So I got that. This is keyboard for it. This I will put up in the screen somewhere what exactly who manufactures this or whatever. And then we got the, what is this, Tintunzu, of course made in China, pen, because the actual Surface Pro keyboard was $150, and then the pen was $100 and some dollars. So that's another $250, which, hey, didn't have that. You know what I mean? Plus this keyboard is Bluetooth, so I hope it works out pretty good. We will check that out in a minute. But for now, let's get up in this box. I'm gonna do this unboxing. I'm gonna play with it some so I can speak more intelligently about it. Let's see, what does it say here? It includes the Microsoft 7 Pro and the power supply. That's it. That's all you get. You know, but that's fine. Okay, here we go. Yeah, this the 7 Pro with the i3 processor. It's the 10th generation of the i3 processor. So now they're up to the 11th gen, and you got options of the i3, the i5, and the i7. I don't think these go in the i9 or no crazy stuff like this. Got 128 gigs of storage, which doesn't really matter to me because I use external hard drives, and 4 gigs of RAM, which should be sufficient for just drawing in the stuff that I need to use this for. Because my laptop, I got an HP ProBook that has 32 gigs of RAM and a terabyte and a half of storage, because I just recently updated that, and I'll put a link to in the descriptions of how I upgraded that. The ProBook, it came with 8 gigs of RAM and 500 gigs of storage, which when I got it, that was okay, but doing the video editing and things like that, it just wasn't good enough for me. But I have been not pleasantly surprised, but I've been satisfied since I did that upgrade. And it doesn't take much to do that upgrade. I'll show you how to do that. So here we go. Ooh, there's a nice little film over it here. Has a little imprints to tell you what all of the ports are. You got the power button, the volume rocker, you got a microphone here somewhere. I guess that's the infrared for the Windows Hello, forward facing camera, the selfie cam. So we got 2 mics in the front. This is for your power here. I was hoping that would work with one of my old Surfaces. This isn't the first Surface I got. You got the USB-A and the USB-C, which the reason I didn't get the Pro 6 is because it doesn't have a USB-C, and I am really a fan of the USB-C. Oh, we got a headphone jack here, and I do believe under here we have, I don't know what that says, but it should be a micro SD card slot under there. So set him right here. Let's get some manuals and stuff. Yep. random blank card there and instruction manual, but I do believe we can make do without that. So I'm gonna slide this stuff back in here. Bam, that out the way. And if I can get this up without ripping anything, let's see, there shouldn't be anything else in here, right? Wouldn't it be neat if it was like a gold bar under here or something and nobody ever knew it because they never took it out? Nah. Wah, wah, wah. No surprises from Bill Gates. All right, so let's open this up here. And of course I did it upside down. Here we go. Nothing special or new about that. Got a 65 watt charger, and it has a USB port there to do some charging. That probably will come in handy with the keyboard that I got, because it doesn't charge through the surface like how I'm assuming the proprietary keyboard does. That's okay. That's okay. I'm gonna slide this back in here. I like to keep my boxes and everything the way that they came without messing up too much if I can. All right. There. Let's put this back on. I like this box. This box is pretty sturdy. So if it did go through a bunch of banging up and all that, I think the product will still end up being pretty safe. So let's just set that on top of there. Okay, now for the unveil. It's gonna be some kind of nice ASMR experience. Can you hear that? Hold up, here, let's try it again. No, that was not relaxing at all, was it? I end up putting that back in the box eventually. Let's just get that out there. Okay. Now, do we have a little power to just get booted up with for the first time? Doesn't seem like we do. That's okay. This is just the unboxing. So, this is pretty thin here. I like that I don't have calipers with me. I will measure that for you, but we'll figure it out. Oh wow, that goes down pretty far. That's nice. And yep, micro SD card slot there. That's all we really got going on in the back there. There's our two mics. Camera, and I already got fingerprints and stuff on it. Okay, so that's that. Next, we have this keyboard, which I guess I couldn't figure out actually what kind of keyboard this is as we get it open. Let's go to Amazon. Orders. Nope, that's not my password. What is it? Yes. I was trying to hide my keys and stuff while I was doing it. My orders, there we go. As that comes up. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, so Amazon says I have not placed any orders in the last 3 months, although somehow this just came today, so I don't know what's going on there. Oh well, maybe it was not meant to be just yet. So, well, it does say who made it, but it's in Chinese. So wireless keyboard comes with a little manual here. Does not have any manufacturer's details on it. So that worries me a little bit. Alright. So okay. That makes me feel a little bit better. Is USB-C. Whenever I get products nowadays, electronic products that come with a mini USB connection, I'm like, man, I don't know, is this some old stuff y'all just rebranded? Because everything should be USB-C by now in 2022. I guess this came out in 2021, so even then, you know, not gonna be needing that. So here we go. Got an on and off button, the charger, the connection to hook it up to the laptop, the Surface. What is this metal thing for? If that is a fingerprint reader, I'm gonna be amazed, but it's metal, so it probably is not. It might be I don't know. I have no idea what that is. But let's see how this clicking experience is. Ooh, yes, magnetic. I love that. Okay. What are we in there? Oh, yeah, it snatched it. That's how it's supposed to be. So that's a plus. I like that. And it does have a little two-step. Gotta love that. So let's see. I can't really tell. Okay. So it's not magnetically staying up there, but that's okay. Here, let's get a little tilt action on that. Bam. Still no power yet, but that's okay. And then we have the Tintunzu Surface Pen. Now they say that this is officially rated by Microsoft to be used with the Surface. Microsoft Surface Special Active Stylus Pen. I don't really know what makes it special, but it says that it's active capacitive. So let's see. You get 2 nibs and a nib remover. That's nice for when they start to wear down, so you don't scratch up the screen. I don't like that it takes a battery. What kind of battery is this? This looks very small. It takes a quadruple A battery, which I have never seen in my life. Did not know that existed. I have to do some research on that. What do those A's even mean? But fits down in there. Yeah. And I guess we're in business. And then that comes off to replace the nib, I guess. Yep. Maybe you can replace the nib with it still on there. I don't know. Feels pretty sturdy. And they give you a little leather pouch. Oh, well, isn't that nice? Isn't that nice? What am I supposed to do with this though? What is it? Where do I put it? I guess just to keep it from getting messed up, scratched up and stuff. That's cool. That's nice. They didn't have to do that. Oh. Is that magnetic? Ah, so it will stay on there. That's good to go. All right. Well, at this point, at least in our journey, I guess that's all I got for you guys. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna charge this thing up, and I guess, well, no, it's just Windows, so it's not like you turn it on for the first time. It's gonna be much of an experience or anything. So, get in my belly. I have plenty of chargers, so I'm just gonna leave that in there. And that is good enough for me. So that was the unboxing portion of the model BC8612 from some unknown Chinese company Bluetooth keyboard, the Tintunzu Surface Pen, and the Microsoft 7 Pro i3 8 gig. So, is it 8 gigs? What did I say? 8 or 4? I hope it's 8. 4 gigs. Oh well. 4 gig Go RAM. What is Go RAM? I don't know what that means. I'll have to figure that out as well. But for now, that's it. Thanks. If you like this, please like and subscribe. See y'all later.